Okay, so here is a KitKat wrapper in your Microsoft Publisher. No Photoshop necessary. I'm going to go ahead and create this with the same theme we did previously, the unicorn theme, and fix this up. I feel like once you get one down, it's pretty easy to do the rest of them. So I don't want this again. Let me go to where I just was using my unicorn. And again, I'm not really getting too creative with this one. I'll probably come back and do a full theme with this. I'm not getting too busy with this one just because I want to show you all how to use these templates and for the sake of time today. So I'm going to go ahead and change this. Maybe I'll use the pink. I'm going to do the background. Let's actually change this other stuff first. So it looks like I want to do a, I think I want to do the outline in purple. And same with this. I'm going to change this up a little bit. I'm going to make this one purple. Do a different one. And I think I'm going to change the color of this KitKat. Or you could just take it out. But I'm going to change the color just for kicks and giggles today. No, I don't like that. So, this shape fill. Let's make that purple. Nope, that's not right. I'm sorry. Let's make the outline purple. Yeah, there we go. And let's change the, let's choose the picker. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab it. And so I want it to be this blue. Okay, but no, let's do no fill. Let's do page design, background. See, I don't like this now that we've gotten everything out here. So, and a lot of people don't really do the KitKats, but just something to have. So probably I'm going to fill this shape with a color. Yeah, see, like that one looks better. Um, so just real quick, I'm not even going to mess with this anymore. That's just a quick version of what I would do. Save it as a PNG. And this is just for the purposes. If I were printing this, I would save it as a JPEG. We could save it as a JPEG now. It doesn't make any difference. Well, it will make a difference because a JPEG has a background. We want a PNG so it's transparent. And I'll go ahead and do my mock-up. And this is in PowerPoint. See here. I'm going to format this, but I'm going to bring in that one I just saved. Oops. I'm going to crop it as usual, so I don't have all this excess blue. Crop it. Right click, copy. Fill. Clipboard. Delete that. See how we look. Looks amazing. So yeah, I would do this as the right click, group it, save as picture, be my KitKat, or excuse me, chocolate wafer, unicorn. Okay, and that would be that. So thank you again for watching.